Hi guys, so this is my analysis on Polkadot. If you watched my previous analysis on Polkadot, you will see I said I'm expecting us to go on an uptrend move on Polkadot. But as of right now, we can see there is a breakup structure around, so there's a possibility that we might come down to retest this trend line that was broken. But this is my target around this area, which is around my negative 27% fib level. So as of the time I was and I analyzed this the chart, I said there's a possibility that we might push up to this level right there before we push down. But as you can see, as of right now, it's not doing something similar to that. So I'm just gonna re-strategize based on what it's doing currently. So we can see there's a breakup structure around this area here. So now maybe we might see, let me delete this. So maybe we can see like a retest around this area to retest the trend line, then continue down to the target, previous target. So that's what I'm saying. Right, as of right now, we're gonna see there's a possible breakup structure around this area, so that's a possibility. Let me check if this was on negative 27. So there's still a possibility that we might break out of this level to at least this zone right here. That's a possibility. I'm still saying so, but yeah, that's a possibility I'm saying on Polkadot, that it might come right there to retest around this level right here to retest. Then we continue to push down. If not, we may just come here to retest here and continue to pull down to the target. So right now, that is what we might be saying on Polkadot. So let's go to LITECOIN. Let's see what LITECOIN is giving us. If you watched my previous analysis on LITECOIN, I said we can see that LITECOIN broke this trend line right here. There was a breakup structure around that area right here, and we can see a retest around that area. So there's a possibility that we might push down and continue. And we can see right here, we are seeing a little bit more strong momentum of sell around that area. I think it was at this level when I predicted it, and I was thinking it might just come up here and before it started reversing. And you can see we went up a little bit before we start reversing at that level right here. So since we are still currently on a downtrend, an impulse correction and a continuation to at least this level right here, 54.96%, which is around my negative 27% fib level, and also a touch of trend line, a touch of a trend line. So you can see I can also have a trend line right here to see there was a breakup structure around this area. So that might be, we might still just push up, retest the trend line, and continue to the downside and start giving us the lower low and higher low and lower high. So that's just my overall prediction on LITECOIN. Is still doing our direction. Let's see if we get to our overall target, which is around this level right here. So based on how it reacts, if it start giving us more of a lower high and higher high breaking structures, then there's a possibility that we might continue to push to the downside. So let me analyze MONERO. Let's see what MONERO is giving us. If you watched my analysis on MONERO, just a quick recap, I said we might push up to this level right here, which is around my negative 27% level, and that can also say around a touch of the trend line as well. We can see that if I zoom in a little bit, you can see whenever it touches around this trend line right here, we push, it bounces off, so there's a possibility that we might still continue to go here and bounce off, and that will determine if we are going to go on an upper trend or a lower trend, if we are going to continue to push up or go down. So if it breaks this trend line, probably retest the trend line, then that's a possibility move that we can see to like to continue to go to the upside, which is around 90% level right at this level right here. But let's just continue at our current so you can see, even if we put a trend line right at this level, we can still call this a kind of break of structure around this level right here. So let's see how it's going around this level. I can even still use like a minor fib level area. This is a minor fib level around this area to just deal with the current price. So there's a possibility that since we're on a down move right here, let me just come up, but we can change. Yeah, so since we are on this current move, I can say that we can just draw, we can still come here to retest this trend line right at this level, then wait, that's not the right one I want to be. Come here to retest around this level right here, then this is my first target, this is my second target, and a possible third target around that area. So that's my target right now. Let's see. So what we are seeing, like I said, we can see an impulse here, a possible correction move around this area right here. It broke the structure, retesting to this level right at my level to give us like a pattern, a reversal pattern, because it would be down, then a reversal pattern of like a possible double bottom to now continue to push up to the direction that we think it might go to. So as long as we are still above this trend line right here, there's a possibility that we'll get to our target. But if we break this and retest the trend line, then we can re-strategize based on the current price action to move to the downside. But as of right now, this is our possible move. So this is the first target right at this level right here. That's my first target. Second target right there, and a possible target right here, which is my overall target, my major direction target right there, direction target, which is negative 27% level at that space. So that is what I'm looking at on Monero. So hope this analysis is insightful, guys. Please don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you.